Today we're taking you on a deck party on the Carnival Freedom.
Yeah, can't wait.
So we're going to ask that you give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew.
And don't forget that ding ding notification bell.
So the Carnival Freedom has some crazy deck parties.
Oh yeah.
And due to Well, we hope you enjoyed our video about the deck parties on the Carnival Freedom.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew. And don't forget, we have a Facebook group as well.
Yeah, what's it called?
Sea Lake Journey Crew.
Sea Lake Journey Crew.
Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.